Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Students, I'm going to discuss two topics. First one, factors causing imbalance in ecosystem, and the next topic, that is natural resources. These two topics I will be discussing, my dear, and these two topics are the part of chapter 1. Already chapter 1 I divided in 3 parts. First part I discussed in the previous class. This is my second part. So now, first of all, you have to know what are the factors that imbalance, what are the factors that causing imbalance in ecosystem. You see, there are many topics, my dear, but especially only 3. The main 3 I'm going to discuss, my dear. First one, that will be the pollution. Next one is generation of nuclear power. Third one is deforestation. So these 3 topics I will be discussing. Now, first topic, that is pollution. You all are aware about this. It has affected our environment a lot. How? There are many reasons behind it. One by one, I'm going to discuss. First one, the smoke from burning leaves. When you fire the leaves, what happens? Yes, it produces what? The carbon dioxide, which is harmful, my dear, for our environment. So it's better that you dump these all leaves. No need to have the fire, my dear. Even firing crackers during the festivals like Deepavali, or yes, if anyone has a marriage, so at that time we fire the crackers. Are you knowing what is the problem that will be faced to our environment? You all are knowing, but some of the people, they are selfish. They never think about others. They think I should be entertained by firing the crackers, but the smoke that can have problems to those patients who are having, yes, inhaling problem, asthma patients. Next one, the emissions from vehicles. Yes, time to time you have to take the certificates, a pollution certificate, whether your vehicles is okay or not. Whatever the label that is set by the our government, if it is over, it is more, it means that those vehicles are not to be run, yes, on road. Next one, burning of synthesis, burning of synthetic and plastics. Now you see, what we do it, whatever the garbages that we have, we burn it. Actually, we have the garbages in a polythene, that in plastic. So what we do it, it's better that why not we will burn that one. No, my dear, you have to not burn this. Otherwise, it is going to pollute your environment. So please keep it in mind, because as I have seen many of the person, they are, yes, burning the tires. So it has chemicals. It will surely affect our environment. So you must take care of these all things. Now, the next part, that is generation of nuclear power. You know, every country wants to use the nuclear power, but what is the side effect? The process of mining uranium for use in these plants and the transport of radioactive waves cause carbon dioxide emission. Other chemicals also. So you don't think that these are useful for us, because nuclear power can give you electricity, my dear. The power, understood? Electric power. But this is also used for harming, yes, our environment, our health. Radioactive, you might have read in physics, you know, what is the use and what is the misuse of radioactive waste, you are knowing. Next topic, that is deforestation. Yes, this is the main topic, my dear, because we all have become selfish. We cut the plants and establish the factory or build a building. What is this? For our selfish, we will chop down the trees. Think about the future. Yes, the new generation, that will be challenging for them. So why it should happen? We, instead of that, we have to grow plants, trees. What we are doing? We are chopping down the trees, forest. You know, day by day, the percentage is increasing, not, my dear. Instead of that, it is decreasing. Many forests, yes, having the trees have been cut down for your use. So we have to think, we have to grow more plants so that our future will be bright, my dear. Just now you can see in the definition, deforestation affects wildlife. You are knowing, yes, not directly but indirectly it can affect ecosystems, weather patterns. You know, yes, during the rainy season it will not rain, or it will rain then heavily. You will have flood, you have a hurt. Even our state is suffering a lot. And even the climate. Forests cover about 30% of the planet's land mass. But humans are cutting them down, clearing these essentials habitats on a massive scale. So you must have to think, my dear. So please don't cut down the trees. Instead of that, you plant the trees, my dear. Now, next topic is natural resource. Natural resources are materials or substances occurring in nature which can be used for economic gain. Every man-made product is made up of natural products at the basic levels. Yes, what are the examples? You can see air, water, coal, iron, wind energy. So these all are the natural resources. Even your gold, silvers, what are that? Natural resources. Yes, mica, natural resources, my dear. But what we are doing? We are using these all resources a lot for our what? Use. Now, if I'm talking about the natural resources, then it will be divided into two parts. First one will be renewable resources and other one will be non-renewable resources. Now, how you can differentiate between them? Now, first one is renewable resources. Some resources once used are filled by nature over a relatively short periods of time. Like what are solar, wind, hydrogen energies? These all comes under the renewable resources. Now, Next one is non-renewable resources. There is a limited supply of some resources that comes from the earth, since they take millions of years to form and are being used up at a much faster rate. What are that? Yes, petroleum. The best example is petroleum products. What we are you doing? Day by day, yes, the use of petroleum products are increasing, but we have alternate solution also. Why not if we will be dependent on renewable resources? If we need electricity, then wind energy, solar energy. Even many of the villages, they are having electricity by the help of solar system. They have installed the solar plates on the roof so that they can get electricity at their home. Not only that, there are other means also, like if you have to go for the transportation, yes, we need fuels, either petrol or diesel. We use either petrol or diesel, my dear. But we can use the other system also, solar also, and even we can use battery also. So there are many methods you can overcome from such situations. Actually, it is up to you how you are going to use it. I hope you have understood these all topics.